Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Just noticed that we just started tedding, and I noticed that there's a little adjustment that we can make, and I wanted to share a little tip with you guys on how to make this a quick adjustment. So come on and let's take a look. Hey guys, so we noticed that the machine, hopefully you can see it on this angle, the machine is pitched a little bit far forward whenever he's going on certain parts of the gear. So I just want to give you a tip on how to tell your pitch angle on your implements. With any implement, for a generic purposes, you want it to be basically as flat with your only going to know when you go around your feet and set this machine up to where it was flat over there. For the majority of the field, I've noticed that it's a little bit pitched forward. So to pitch the machine back, basically to get the front of the machine pitched a little bit back, more level with the ground, you're going to extend your top link. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And you can notice as I'm extending it, it should be raising the front of this implement up a little bit. Now we're just going to make minor adjustments and then see how it goes. He'll do maybe a couple more rounds and I'll kind of sit back and see. And as an operator, you can kind of get a go. Maybe look back at the machine a little bit, and if it's pitched back a little bit too much and you need to go a little bit more forward to level with the ground, go ahead and shorten your top link. So just a quick tip, I wanted you guys to share that with you, and we'll get back to tedding today. So, thanks. Alright, you're good. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.